Hey, what's going on? This is Miniature Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to use hotkeys to trigger commands. The reason why you might do this is because you don't have a Stream Deck, and so you're using your keyboard as a temporary Stream Deck. I wouldn't use this permanently, but use if you're trying to save money. So you're just temporarily using hotkeys on your keyboard to trigger stuff. I was in the mixed up Discord. I saw someone asking how to trigger a command with a hotkey, and but before we get into that, let me do my little spiel. If you find these mixed up videos helpful, the tutorials, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, mix it up, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right. So first of all, we are on version 1.3.0.5. And the inspiration for this idea is I'm not going to name who they are in case you don't want to be named, but they're trying to make a command where if you triggered a hotkey, then it would trigger like a chat message, like, whoops, sorry, blah, 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 hey, I'm a chat message, blah, 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 okay? So they would do that. But then they also would go they'd go input, keyboard, and mouse and add that and be one and control. They would try to use their hotkeys like, hey, it isn't doing anything. So the reason why this doesn't work is because you have a command called play, and every time you use exclamation point play, it's gonna trigger this hotkey, which it's gonna make your it's gonna make mix it up press control and one, and that's it. You're just telling mix it up to press control and one. You're not telling it to. You're not like connecting it to anything, and then you're having it do a chat message. So yeah, press these buttons on the keyboard and then output this chat message. But that only happens if you use the play command. Like if you type in the play command. So that's why this doesn't work. Okay. So I'm pressing Control 1 right now. It is doing nothing. Okay. I'll type in, let me make this smaller. Okay, well, I can't, I can't, I don't have an input overlay to show you, but just trust me. I'm holding Control, I'm pressing 1, okay, nothing's happening. Okay, but if I go exclamation point play, okay, so that's the exact message I put in. Now, if you wanted to trigger it by holding Control and pressing 1, this is what you would do. Go to the gear in the top right. You're gonna go to a section called Hotkeys. Then I'm gonna we're gonna go to the chat type of command. We're gonna look for play. Okay. I'm gonna go control and then keyboard key 1 and then add it. Oh, I just replaced another. Dang it! I just replaced another hotkey. So make sure you don't do that. Make sure that when you add a hotkey, you're not replacing the existing hotkey because I just did that by accident right now. Oh well, I don't remember using it. Probably wasn't important. But anyway, so now I'll show you my chat. Okay. So look, I'm not gonna type in a command. Okay, I'm just gonna hold control, press 1. Okay. I'm gonna hold control and press 1 once. I'm still holding control. And it is still giving me the chat messages.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, I know why. Okay, I know why it keeps going. It's because I have control 1 in the command. So whenever I use the command with control 1, it just keeps triggering control 1. So it doesn't stop. Okay, let's remove that. Let's remove that right now so it doesn't break my setup here. Play. Okay, let's remove that. Okay. Now let's test it. Okay, we'll go clear. Okay, first I'll do it with the command. Okay, there it is. Okay, now without the command. I'll hold control, press 1. Okay, we only get it once. Great. Okay, so yeah, every time I press control 1, it's giving me that command. As you can see, also that I'm not typing in exclamation point play to do that. So yeah, the hotkey was successfully set up. So yeah, just gear, hotkeys. Likely it'll be chat, but could be something else. Then pick the command. Then pick the button on your keyboard, and whether you want to use Shift, Control, Alt, or all of the above. And yeah, that's it. That is how you set up. That is how you use hotkeys to trigger commands. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold.